Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. This 7-minute meditation is here to balance your chakras, align your energy, and restore harmony within. Let's begin. Bring awareness to the base of your spine. Feel a warm, red glow grounding you deeply. With each breath, stability and safety flow through you. Now focus on your lower abdomen. See an orange light swirling like water. It awakens creativity, flow, and joy. At your core, a bright yellow sun glows. Feel confidence, willpower, and energy radiating outward. You are strong. Now rest awareness on your heart. See emerald green light expanding with love and compassion. With each breath, feel kindness flow through you for yourself and for others. Bring focus to your throat. A clear blue glow shines here. Your voice, your truth, your clarity are aligned. At your forehead, a violet flame opens. Your intuition awakens. Your wisdom shines clear. Finally, at the crown of your head, a radiant white light connects you to the universe. You are aligned. You are whole. Take a deep breath in and release. You are balanced. You are clear. Thank you for being here. This is Soul Sanctuary. Until next time, stay aligned.